We hit Montana for the 2024 pheasant opener. Today we hunt this draw, posting blockers here, here, and here.
We got dogs everywhere. We got Chopper, River, we got Moose, Coda. We got Clayton and Chuck, or whatever that guy's name is posted up down here at the bottom of the draw. Ooh, Sharpie. Oh, nice shot.
Hey, right here.
River, over here, over here. Come on, over here. Fetch it over here. Come on, Riv. Riv, fetch it here. Good girl. I didn't think you were gonna. I was getting ready to pull the trigger. Drop it. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah.
That's a hunt, isn't it?
No, Sharpie.
Fuck, look at him.
Good girl, River. Bye-bye. River, no bird, no bird. You're a good girl, River. You're a good girl. Oh, she's on something. No bird. No bird, Rivy. No bird. Good job. That was a hen or a Sharpie. Not sure which. Either way, I didn't have a shot at it. If it was a Sharpie. We're after the Rudies this morning. Come on, Rib. Hey, Rivy, find those birds, baby. Yeah, good job, River. Good job. Good job, baby. River, get in there. Find those birds. Oh yeah. Sharpies! Down goes a Sharpie. There goes another one. Oh, there goes a, oh, it's a hen, I think. Just, I don't know, I can't tell what it was. Do you see that land?
No.
Just in front of you, right in front of JP. Moose! River.
Hey!
Okay, now it's finally my turn to get in on some of the shooting action.
River, find those birds. Fetch him up, baby. Right here. Drop it. Oh, did you find it?
Yeah.
Oh. Good girl, Rivy.
The boys at the bottom of the draw are yelling up that the birds are running up this little finger draw right in front of me.
One in here somewhere. We just ran in here.
Hen! Hen! Find that bird. Hen! Hen! Jesus, River, leave it! Where'd he go?
A few minutes later.
Find that bird. Got him. Good girl, River. Good girl. Drop it. Drop it. Good girl. Look at that beauty. You get him, River. Get in there.
Come on, chopper. Gotta be something in there.
Oh, bunny, rabbit.
Holes right there. Yeah,
Okay, River.
that's a big rooster. That's why she's squealing.
Yeah, yeah. Hen. No, it's okay. No bird. No bird. Hen. No bird, Rivy. No bird. River.
Here, the boys in the bottom of the draw and the blockers really get a lot of shooting in. Lots of hens here, though.
Oh, yeah.
I'm a little out of position here. The birds are blowing out of these trees just in front of me, but before the blockers.
Running. There's one right here. Hen. This spot was money, dude.
Yeah, that's a beautiful one. Both of those are probably worth mounting. Ooh, nice. Oh, we got a couple, huh? Oh, you're doing all right.
I got two. If I'd been right here,
Most
30.
of those are hens.
Well, but I had two roosters. Well, I think you got one.
Yeah,
You got one of them.
I got a rooster. Most of them were all hens.
Yeah.
Going over these.
He doesn't need to be up there on top.
Oh, rooster. River.
Right there, bud.
I think River's on it.
Right in that red bush right there, bud. He's got it.
Good boy, Chopper. Good boy, Chopper.
What with the highway splitting this draw and no permission to hunt the other side, we gotta call it a day. But what a day it was, with many of us shooting our limits. I look forward to seeing you on the field.